Located on the eastern side of North San Diego County, Palomar Mountain boasts miles of scenic hiking trails and is home to the world-famous Palomar Observatory and Hale Telescope. Home to Palomar Mountain State Park, there is plenty of outdoor adventure awaiting, offering numerous hiking trails, wildlife watching, and even fishing. Check out the Visitor Center for a guided tour or simply enjoy the beautiful trees and vistas surrounding you. With the ocean to the west and the desert to the east, you are truly in the middle of it all. For more adventures, take a short drive to Warner Springs to visit some local wineries or take an afternoon trip down to the beach to enjoy the San Diego coastal lifestyle. Palomar Mountain is one of San Diego's hidden gems, offering beautiful views and the peaceful paradise of the stunning outdoors.